Threatening me again. Off his head, isn't he?
He didn't do it. Yes, he did. He phoned the police, got me arrested. You would have not put the dog out if I didn't get arrested. I could have taken the dog out. No, you can't. I told you not to. It belongs to me. You only took it out because of him. Well, you look after it then. You look after it. Okay, now you're making out. You're obsessed with me, man. I can't have anything. I have a cup there. Ooh, how much is this? What's it with this cup? No! That's what happens all the time. All the fucking time. You're screaming every day, shouting. Staring at each other. You lie. What's your? That's what's happening. Everyone's fucking that many years, you used to it. You won't say a word to him because he told you to fuck off all the time. Him. I don't see it. You don't? Why, when you tell him off, what did he say to you? Down the street, you know. Got earphones in. Gets told to fuck off when you tell him off. Why is he name calling in the house? I'm not dead. That's all I need answers. I need to know why.
This laugh and drugs.
What's wrong with that? I'm not at school. What's wrong with you answering the question? Why is he name calling? I'm not at school.
All made up in his head.
Why can he take the living piss out of everybody? Nothing ever happens to him. Nothing gets said to him, and he just gets
Come away, Mum.
Absolutely terrorised all day long, and then he'll come downstairs and you'll talk to him like nothing happens. Why? All I need is answers. I have just come downstairs. I am cleaning up. I need to know why you can sit in his room and bang your name. I can't answer that question, and you don't want to answer it. Well, I need to know. Because it's affecting the old house every fucking day. Well, it's affecting it because of the arsehole. He'll either wind me up. The arsehole. He'll either wind me up and come down here, I come and tell you. Why does he keep doing it? Go away. I'm trying to go away. I'm going away. I am going away very soon. I'm gone. So, don't bother me. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. Because you can't be being controlled by a muppet. Don't bother me. By a muppet. Don't bother me. Nobody's here. You know, what's he doing here? What did he do to help? What did he really do to help? He just finds everything.
Really?
Just go away, you go away. I'm trying to clean up. No, I don't want to go back in there. I was out here.
Which room we doing, Mum?
I'm trying to do something.
Yeah, which room are we doing?
Me, I'm trying to do something.
Right.
Something good.
Right, you finish that off, then I'll help you again in a minute. I always help my mum. That's okay. Yeah.
You never used to be holes in the garden. It was all holes over the garden. Everywhere. Everywhere. mind when you use it. We put plants out, right? If we're doing it, we put plants out. Come up the corner of your house. You know what I mean? Or we'll put an ornament out. Not even allowed to bury your own lawn. Not even allowed in your own shed. Why are they not allowed in their own shed? Hey, why aren't they?
I'm not being allowed in it too, because I'm doing it too.
I'm asking a question. Why are they not allowed in their own put something in their own shed?
Please, miss. Like being at school.
Not. You're taking you. Not. Right. You could bring anybody in the house, right? We'll have a conversation.
Well, it's a pity they can't mind their own business,
You're both
isn't
too
it?
scared to say anything.
I am not scared.
Or do
I can
anything
tell
about it.
people if I
Why
want
is
to.
he still
I
making
don't
a
want
shout
to.
every day?
I don't want to. I don't want to. Tell anybody.
Why is he still named for it?
I can't answer that. I can't answer that. It's not my mouth, is it? It's not my mouth.
Yeah, do you know when I know the answer right, isn't it?